Well, my hip started bothering me, and I was slowing down my movement. I had a hard time putting on my shoe. I thought for sure I was going to have a hip replaced. And we saw the x-rays, and he said, no, we don't, we can fix this. And so far, he's helped me a lot. The pain is gone most of the time. It acts up for some reason, and I can't explain it, but it works well. What he's doing is working. My name is Randy, and I'm from Pulaski. I used to work about 80 hours a week, and it was very physical, and the body just telling me, hey, I kind of burned it, but I slowed down and stuff. I'm not as active as I used to be, but I still like to be. Roughly about 6 months, maybe it's under a year for sure. I just thought my hip was going because my wife had hers replaced, and I was just trying to build up to it. I noticed it was kind of sharp, and it was like a dull pain. Sometimes it'd get a little worse, and then it'd be less, depending on, and there's certain things I couldn't do because it would activate it. So I didn't realize how much I was accepting it and doing other things to make it so it didn't work. I used to walk quite a bit, and I could walk so far that after that it would start hurting. And like I said, I couldn't bend over and tie my shoes. I went to a chiropractor and whatever, and they've just tried things on me, and they said this, and we do go to massage, and she would work on me there, but it just kept getting progressively worse and worse, and we had to do something. Me and the wife had talked about it, and I saw the ad, and I said, we got to do something, because I could see her getting worse, and I was, so we did it. Dr. Jackson is very good at what he does. He listens, but a lot of doctors won't. To me, it's no big deal. It works. I can tell after I feel better, and progressively I've been getting better from the laser. The care from Midwest Solutions has made my life easier with less pain. I'm getting 3/4 of the way down to be able to tie my shoes and stuff. It's getting better. I get along very well with the staff. We kid around, we joke. It's a nice place to come to. You have to try it, without a doubt. I'm better than I was before. That's all I care about. A Midwest Pain Solution has been one of the better things I've done in my life.